Everything's in here. We picked them up from the side of the road. Make sure this is going to Vermont. You see ski poles.
It's like a field trip, like a school field trip a little bit, no?
We get first dibs, huh? What you got there, pal?
Yeah.
Is that a I have my calming tea, chips.
So how long is this bus ride?
8 hours.
8 hours. So you're gonna be snoozing or what?
Eventually.
Crossing the border, so you gotta have your passports with you. If you got anything, you know, illegal, smoke it beforehand, eat it beforehand.
Yeah, there you go.
To the cheesecake.
It's all gone. What was in that? I feel loopy.
Today is a great day. I'm so excited. So long. Say it out loud.
7-8 hours later, and I just gotta check in. It's cold as fuck.
JP,
cold
it's
as balls. You're gonna need like 2 sweaters on, my friend.
My legs are actually tingling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're still waiting.
Good morning, Vermont.
Pull out extra.
Oh, on the floor. So this is for people.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go hit the slopes.
Some people are eating breakfast, having a nice beverage on the side
It's a balanced breakfast.
to wash down the peanut butter jelly with. Only way of doing it on vacation, I guess, right?
This is where we're staying. It's a beautiful little lodge. So the nice thing about this is that the shuttles will take you around any place you need to get to. Oh, we just forgot this camera on the bus. I called it. I was like, oh my God, we just left the shuttle.
Someone handed this to me.
There's good American people out here, man. Good Americans.
Will we ever make the ski slopes? Not sure at this point. What happens when you have no sleep on the bus ride and then everybody just has to use the day to catch up on sleep, otherwise we're gonna be dead on the slopes. Woo! Our little chalet is like over there, so it's a ski off. So you literally just ski from the backyard downwards and you make it to the first lift. But that's the beauty about renting with a ski off backyard.
So I guess everything, muscle memory kicked in and...
So we're gonna go further up this time.
Guys, last run for today. Last run.
Cool.
My kneecaps are frozen. Kind of, they've got better, but...
There's a reason why they close at 4. Seriously.
The guy said, the guy at the rental place said, you don't want to be skiing after 4.
Yeah, he's like, it's like brutally cold out here.
Brutally cold?
Woo!
Yeah. This is our home.
Zupka time. Kimchi, spicy.
Spicy as hell.
Some soup and beer?
Soup and beer.
I don't think so. Oh, shit.
I've
Setting the mood?
mounted the GoPro.
Damn. Guys, how was the first snow experience on the hills?
Awesome, yeah.
Good shit?
It was cold but fun.
I don't know if I'm brave enough to ever go on the blacks, but we went on the blues, and yeah, they're nice long runs, so I like that, right? There's 3 single men sharing one room, and we're gonna casually put a banana and a little flower in the room.
That's so random.
Just leave it here.
You gotta put it on the pillow.
I need their reaction when they come in.
How are you gonna catch that, you know?
I'm gonna follow them in. One guy's up here, one guy's over here, and then this slides out, so there's another bed. So I don't know what their sleeping arrangements are like. Maybe 2 men are up here, maybe 2 are here.
So we're just gonna leave a random banana on their pillow. We're grabbing a shuttle in the middle of the night. So these shuttles run until about 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m.
We waited half an hour, so
Hello.
equals out.
All right, guys, what's the plan? Are we going to the grocery store?
Grocery store and the...
We gotta wait for one more. We gotta wait for one more. Monica.
Where is she?
So the question is, guys, what does Mountain Dick pizza taste like?
It tastes like a mountain of dick.
Like a sweaty mountain dick, or what?
Oh, wow. We're gonna order this pizza to go, Mountain Dicks. And while we're waiting for the pizza to be made, we are gonna go across the street. It's a grocery store right there. Water, snacks, some breakfast foods maybe. Pizza will be taking half an hour to cook.
We're gonna get some
And we're gonna go get some deli wine and cheese and beer. Warhead extreme sour dill pickle. That's weird.
things
eh?
things you see in America.
They don't have much, but they have enough.
Also, the prices are a lot more jacked up, eh? The prices are jacked up. We just make pasta for everybody, right? Because we have spaghetti, we have sauce and noodles.
I would stock up on all of these if there were no sugar. That looks exactly like
That
me.
looks exactly like you.
Yo, I'm pissed off that Chobani.
Beer section. A freezer section.
Hey! What's this, bug juice?
You guys want to think about breakfast now?
Bug juice. Bug.
Bugs.
$2.50. American is like $4. I'm not sure if they even have this in Canada anymore, but I grew up on this stuff.
How much more bread do we have?
Dunkaroos.
For the after party, we got props here.
Oh, just one single. It's calling you. Those are cute. Some grub, but this is actually a good neck tube because one was freezing today.
Gotta make sure
my,
it's tight on your face.
my souvenir. Taxi.
We got groceries up in here. How much? 60 USD. Oh, Jesus. Why are we always filming when Jessica fucks up? I'm glad I was recording. How did you fall? Dude, you good? We're trying to play board games, but we're so deep in the night that some people can't keep going. Mark, you having trouble? Jack is committed to getting this game going,
Jack has done an excellent job explaining this game, okay? But everybody has ADHD.
This amulet is going to be picked up by the leader, which is you, and you're going to hand this off to somebody, okay? Let's say you hand this off to Monica.
Why are your daddies out? Your daddies are out. One man down. So the loser of this game goes and does a snow angel outside. No fucking ends it for butts. You're done.
The second game we don't know.
You're going out there.
Why? I mean, I'd rather go in my underwear than with clothes.
Do underwear then.
I have too much clothes. I don't want to ruin it.
So you could choose a snow angel, or you could choose something the group comes up with, and it's a mystery.
Gotta do a snow angel.
You wanna do a snow angel?
Snow angel for sure.
Okay.
My toink duck.
A snow angel.
He's actually doing
it.
it?
He's doing it.
You're pushing me to do this. Nobody wants me.
Another idea. Why don't you ski with the balloon the entire
Okay, yeah, we can.
I'm attached. Kip's here.
Wakey, wakey. You guys are missing breakfast. It's 9:30 and breakfast is ready. Let's go.
Hello.
He followed us in the chairlift. No, he's our neighbor's dog.
Hello. You want some sauce?
I know he's loner. We were talking.
You want? Make yourself at home, huh?
His name is Moose. His name is Moose.
Hello.
Did you guys find your banana yesterday, by the way?
Yeah, it's on the bed. Wait, what's that about?
Where'd the banana go? He's like, let me back in. Come on, guys. Let me in, man. That's our exit from the chalet, and he's on the ski hill right now. He's literally on the ski hill. Holy shit, he's following us, man. Go back, Moose. Go back. Go back. And look where the dog is right now, guys. Look, right here. He's just crossing the fucking highway like
Looks
it's
like
nothing.
a river otter.
Yeah.
Moosey,
Look at where he's at. Holy.
Moose, right here.
He doesn't know
buddy.
to look up.
Hey, Moose.
He doesn't know to look up.
Moose, look up.
Bar, how did you fall?
We're waiting for the gondola.
We're gonna take the gondola up to the top of the mountain.
Drink me.
I think it's about like 25 people on this.
Top of the world right now. Woo! Woo! Everest, we made it! I'm going down, but this is a unreal landscape. Like,
let's fucking go. What happened?
I took a fat tumble and like my skis went this way. I was going straight for the cliff.
Oh my
and
god,
I had finished. I was
bro.
like, I'm done. I'm done.
You don't want to fall off the cliff,
No,
man.
I thought I was done.
Ramen break? How's it?
It was really good, no?
Yeah, I like the noodles. They're kind of al dente.
Yeah, I like the noodles too. So we're just sitting by the fire here.
Different. It's like you forgot how to walk almost.
I feel like I'm still with the skis, eh?
Yeah, I'm just saying, like,
Like
it's
like I'm
totally
not doing the
different.
quirk walk anymore, but it feels like I should be. Beer, cheese, wine, deli. And the shuttle's waiting for us over there. The shuttle just kind of waits and circles back and forth and picks people up like us. We've been outside all day. We gotta warm up. This guy's
Quick, man.
full groceries right here.
Cocktail making in these fucking glasses.
Service, Martin.
Holy Ghost with me, labels don't tempt me. Off of the kingdom, I'm keeping it plain. Never gonna break me, know who just sent me. Pushing the limits, I'm building a stack.
We're about to go ambush the father's cottage. So basically this trip was like a bunch of Polish fathers and they brought their kids, which we have been partying with for the last like couple hours. And we all have different cabins. We're surprising the Polish fathers.
Yeah,
Polish
man.
fajas.
We're unstoppable. Let's go. Holy Ghost with me, labels don't tempt me. Off of the kingdom, I'm keeping it plain. Never gonna break me, know who just sent me. Pushing the limits, I'm building this thing.
What happened, homegirl?
Britney Spears, what's happening?
Brittany.
Britney's drugged and she leaned on the doorbell.
Just like that, we are out of here, guys. Goodbye, Kevin. Goodbye.
Closing time.
So we're gonna kill some time. We're gonna sit at the chalet and then 8-hour bus ride back to Canada. This is the room where all the junk is being left behind.
20-minute upper body workout. Something up here. Gonna choose a video and just go for it.
Well, gym workout done just like that, and we still got some time to kill.